I just made this glass of Kangen water and I'm going to drink it. I don't have any makeup on or anything, so I'm not filming myself. It was hard for me to film it before because I didn't have two hands free, but now I do. So let me turn this on. You can see. Well, maybe I'll hold it like this. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna drink this water. When I did the experiments yesterday, it actually took like a couple minutes for it to get up to 99. I don't know why, but it seemed almost like it dipped down and then it went up. So I'm curious to see if it's gonna go up to 99. There we go. So to be honest, 93 was really low. Even when I woke up this morning. Oh no, actually no, when I woke up this morning it was 80 something. But yeah, for some reason, when I first put this thing on just now, it was 93, but I think that's kind of unusual. I don't think my oxygen level is usually that low. It's probably usually around like 96, 97. But it's very clear to me that when I use this, when I drink this water, it goes up to like 98, 99, 97, 98, 99. But still, it's a noticeable improvement. So I can see how this would help somebody. I know there's a lot of controversy. Can you increase the pH of your blood? Yes, you can, just a very small amount. But even if you increase it just a very small amount, that's actually a huge amount because the pH scale is logarithmic. So a small increase is actually equivalent to a very large increase. If your blood is too acidic, your hemoglobin cannot transport oxygen efficiently, so you may not absorb as much oxygen as your body needs. If you do some research on the oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve, you'll see how the pH of your blood plasma can affect the amount of oxygen your body is able to absorb. It can be easy for a person to be unaware that they have acidosis or accumulated acidic waste, since you can't necessarily feel whether or not your blood is acidic. But over time, acidic waste can do long-term damage to your cells, tissues, and blood vessels, contributing to chronic disease. Foods that can make your body acidic can include red meat, poultry, fish, processed cheese, cream, milk, ice cream, butter, eggs, grains, white rice, refined flour products like pasta, noodles, crackers, cakes, breakfast cereals, cookies, salt, sugar, sodas and carbonated drinks, coffee, tea, alcohol, and more. CO2 is a gas that people with healthy respiratory systems can normally breathe out, but when it remains in the body, CO2 can shift a normal balance of acids and bases, making it more acidic. Please know this water should not be considered a treatment or cure for anything, and the manufacturer makes no claims to prevent, treat, or cure any particular disease. In studies, this type of water can be referred to as electrolyzed reduced water, alkaline ionized water, or simply reduced water. Electrolyzed reduced water is loaded with antioxidants that are shown in studies to be able to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. This water also contains a high level of molecular hydrogen, also known as H2. H2 has been studied for over 100 years with no known side effects. There are hundreds of studies about the benefits of molecular hydrogen, and this paper alone lists 321 articles that highlight some of its beneficial effects. You can learn all about the machine that makes this water at bestwaterguaranteed.com. When you get in touch with us, we can send you lots of research, machine demos, user testimonials, information about the award-winning company that makes the machines, and more. If you have any questions, you can call us at 1-800-420-2641. That's 1-800-H2O-2641. Or you can email us at bestwaterguaranteed@gmail.com. If someone in our group referred you to us, please be sure to mention their name and/or ID number if you have it. This will help us to ensure you'll get the highest level of customer service possible. Thanks for taking the time to watch this, and we look forward to speaking with you.